Hello everyone. Today we are going to replace iPad Air 4 front broken glass. First we will check the LCD. If everything is okay, then we will proceed with this LCD. Looks all good. The first step is to put the tape and make sure there shouldn't be big bubbles. Make sure edges of the glass must be clean. After cleaning the edges of the glass, we are going to cutting the glue between the LCD and the glass. During this process, please don't be hurry. Take your time, and it's the time taking process because if you damage the actual LCD screen, then there is no solution to fix it. If only just the glass is broken, then we can repair the LCD. Separating the LCD from the glass is nearly take around 15 to 20 minutes. Now we clean the glue with the help of glue cleaning tool. I am using 99.99% alcohol to for cleaning this LCD. Everything is perfect. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.